Artificial intelligence is everywhere from ChatGPT to self-driving cars. But if you are new, it can feel overwhelming. So in this video, I'll break down exactly how you can get started with AI in 2025. Conventional programming is all about writing rules for a computer. AI is different. Instead of writing all the rules, we give the computer data and let it learn patterns on its own. Didn't get it? It's okay. Think about it this way. If you want to simulate rock, paper, scissors, you can do it using traditional programming. If this, then that. But how can you write a face recognition software using conventional programming or to find whether a given email is spam or not? You can't. This is where AI comes in. Data is the fuel of AI. Garbage in, garbage out. If your data is messy or biased, your AI model will be too. So data must be cleaned and pre-processed properly before training the model for the best results. Learn Python. It's the language for AI. You don't need to worry about it being slow compared to its peers like C++ or Java because the libraries used to write AI in Python have their kernels written and executed in C++. So its speed meets convenience. After learning Python, you should learn supporting libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. These libraries are a must. Do not skip them like I did. If you learn them early, it's going to be much simpler later when you're building your own models. Remember, data is everything for AI. These libraries will help you understand data and properly process it for training. Also, learn Git, it comes in handy. Hands on machine learning, deep learning with Python. These are the only books you need to learn AI. There are so many other books on the internet and they are good too. But if you keep on chasing the shiny object, you will never master AI. So stick to these two books. They're going to teach you everything and they're very beginner friendly. Read them as many times as possible to understand the inner workings of AI properly. These books are costly, but you can find PDFs of these books for free on the internet. Just make sure you are downloading the latest version of them to learn more about recent topics like Transformers architecture. Math is important to AI if you want to learn what's going on under the hood. But do not learn linear algebra, calculus, and statistics explicitly before learning AI. This was my biggest mistake. It cost me too much time for little ROI. Instead, learn only relevant topics while learning AI. You can check out the 3 Blue 1 Brown neural networks course to understand the math behind AI. Programming is a practical skill, so no matter how many videos you watch or how many books you read, you will not get good at programming. You simply need to start writing code. So get good at AI by coding from day one. You don't need expensive hardware. Simply go to Google Colab and start coding. Once you read those books and get good at building models using scikit-learn, PyTorch or TensorFlow, this is the time to build the ultimate project to showcase your understanding. Build a neural network from scratch. Do not use AI libraries like PyTorch or Keras. Use plain and simple NumPy and build a simple MLP to classify digits. If you want a detailed video on how to build a neural network from scratch, comment NNFS below. Thank you for watching.